What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy DeGilk, and I'm coming at you guys today with an unboxing. Now, this unboxing is on another beat pair of Off-White Forces. This time it's the ComplexCons. And without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, before I unbox this, I'm going to give you a little backstory. I was looking for a pair for a while, these and the MoMAs, but every pair that I found was either beat or super expensive. For these, I could only find new for $6 grand, or there was one other used pair and it was in a similar condition, but it was a lot more. I want to shout out Ian. Thank you, bro. And without further ado, I'm just going to open the box. Alright, box is open. That shit down. Get this out the way. And here's the Off-White box. Also, something that was super dope is all the other pairs had no box and no zip. So this was kind of clutch. I don't know what it is with like expensive shoes, but it's always missing something, which I've never understood. I keep everything to my shoes. And here they are. Got the lovely creases and the yellow tint. And obviously the foam is pretty rough. So my goal with these is to send them with the MoMAs as well and get these restored. And hopefully we can get these back in shape. These are pretty beat as well. This is it. The color is kind of off. I don't know if it's just dirty or what. But these are a lot better condition than the MoMAs, I will tell you that. I think that's pretty easy to beat though. Those MoMAs are probably the most beat I've ever seen. These are a little dirty, so I'll probably end up cleaning these and maybe putting a video out for you guys. See what I can do before I send them off to get restored. I just hate having like dirty shoes and just looking like this in my closet, waiting to get sent off, or even just sitting in there. It bugs me. So this is the first shoe. Put it down. This is also the zip tie, which is the wrong way. Guess that's cool. I'm not gonna wear with it, but it's cool to have, just in case I sell in the future or something. I know people freak out for not having that. And these are pretty much the same thing. I'll get you guys detailed pictures of the whole shoe so you guys can kind of see it. I mean, these are pretty creased up. You see the yellowing. The reason why I'm not really too mad about the yellowing is because I'm gonna wear these shoes, and as soon as you wear them, they get yellowed and this foam starts to peel. I love the Force, but I feel like the foam on the outside, they could have done without. It's actually right here. Looks like it has none. If it's not new, I kind of don't like the look of the foam, and that's like impossible. You have to keep them in like a plastic wrap, which once again, I don't really stare at my shoes, so that's just not really me. I don't have plastic wrap and just look at them. I like to wear my shoes. But these were as expected. Super clean shoe though, just pretty much a white Force. With getting these restored, I'm gonna definitely get a new sole because these bottoms are rough. And when they do the new soles, they're gonna definitely put an air. Like, I'm not gonna rock these without the air on it. It look just kind of off and kind of be pointless. And then they're gonna definitely clean it up, get rid of most of the creases. I mean, as best as they can. It looks like it's a little yellowed on the back. They'll probably be able to get rid of that. It's also, which is kind of crazy, I've never seen this. It looks yellowed on the liner. Well, that's kind of gross. I don't know if that's yellowed or like stained. It's like hard, like glue. I'm gonna definitely clean these up though. Inside's pretty gross. definitely took the challenge. I bought these in the MoMA, see if we can get them restored. I don't really always buy beat shoes, but these, I don't know. I couldn't really justify spending the 10 grand for the MoMAs or the 6 grand for these. I figured why not go this route, get them a little cheaper and then get them restored, knowing I'm gonna wear them. So that's kind of why I went this route. Yeah, other than that, looks like that's pretty much it. And you got your paper, of course. You got this, which I guess that actually fell off. Not a big deal. It's cool that they threw it in there though. Close this up. OG box. Zip tie and the shoes. Definitely could use a little cleanup though. I think these will restore good too. Even when he puts the new soles on though, I think they're gonna have a yellow tint. I think I'm gonna have him do that because even brand new, they have like a little yellow tint. And then when you just wear this stuff, it all gets like that anyways. Which I kind of like about off-white stuff, but then also I kind of don't. I think it's cool, it's like a vintage vibe, but then sometimes it just kind of looks like dingy. And like, these are in the dingy stage right now. These definitely don't look like a $6,000 shoe. But we're gonna see what the restoration guy can do. And I'll be back at you guys with that video as well. I may put the MoMA and these together, may do them separate. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out my other videos or do Nike Lab and Nike Tech reviews. Try to bring you guys cool stuff that you don't really see on YouTube. And that's kind of my goal for you guys, to bring you guys stuff that you don't really see that often on YouTube. It seems like a lot of people post the same stuff and the same releases, same unboxings. And that's cool. You know, there's one guy, you know, I'll watch for that, but there's no one that really does too much stuff different. So that's why I brought this for you guys to kind of do a little challenge. And I'm out.
Lab going,